my name is Julie, and I wanted to share with you my experience after just one call in Jeff Cloud's Waking Up in the Dream program. Um, I started seeing and feeling triggers as they were happening in real time, as my mind started and ego started in that judgmental um, reaction, emotionally reactive response that was so normal for me, my norm. I didn't even realize I was doing it, but with one call, um, I instantly started seeing it and feeling it. And I was able to ask the question, what is this trying to teach me about me? And that is the moment that everything shifted. I understood why I was reacting emotionally instead of being the observer. And I'm so excited because if this is just after one call and I'm seeing these responses and this reaction within me and I'm recognizing it and I'm observing it, I can't wait to see what the rest of the 3 weeks that we have left, 4 weeks that we have left. So I'm ecstatic. This is life changing. It has been life changing in one call. So it's not just the call, um, and it's not just the book. It's Jeff's energy. It's the tribe that we're walking together on this journey. It's all of it, and it's interactive, and it's beautiful. So if you have any doubts, take the leap of faith, and your future self will thank you, and you'll look back and say, "Why didn't I do this sooner?" So I absolutely am ecstatic, and I know it's life changing. It already has been for me because once you've seen it, you can't unsee it, as Jeff says.